Good day. Today I'm going to go through the INF2603 October-November 2020 exam. I'm only going to show the solution to question 2 of the October-November 2020 exam. That's what my main purpose is for this exercise. So first of all, what we need to get into our machine over here, and as shown in previous videos, I'm using XAMPP, and I'm using MySQL from XAMPP. Okay, so I open up my XAMPP control panel, I click on start for my Apache, and then I stick on start for MySQL. So now I've started both of them. Alright, I click on the admin button and it will take me to the MySQL instance. Okay, so I'm here. Now I'm just going to show you the question paper quickly. As you can see, INF2603 October-November 2020, and it says all SQL syntax must be correct, missing characters will be penalized. Use the below table order to answer questions 2A 1 to 4. So first question is, write the SQL code that will create the table structure for table order. So as you can see, here's our table order, and we've got a column order date, then we've got column customer, then column sales rep, column product, quantity, unit, price, etc. Alright, so I'm gonna cheat a bit. I want to create that. As I've shown you in previous videos, I've created a database called INF2603. I've got that old table 1.1 in it from one of the previous questions. So I'm gonna click on this INF2603. I'm gonna go to SQL, okay, and then I'm gonna load the script that I have already. So I've got this script already created, so I'm just going to copy it and I'm going to paste it. Okay, and as you can see, what it's doing is it's saying I'm going to create the table order, okay, in these special commas over here, okay, and then these are my columns. They all not null, okay, and so I've said order date, customer, and you can see my order date is a data type of date. Okay, my customer is a varchar, and I'm using up to 15 characters. Okay, the sales rep, varchar 30. As you can see, all of them go commas until the very end over here where I've got a semicolon. Alright, so, and you can see I've chosen quantity double, unit price double, total sales double, because these are how you can represent comma variables. Okay, so in here I'm going to do that. I'm going to click on go. As you can see, I didn't have a table there, and now by this it's going to create my table. So now if I go here, I've got my table, and there's my table as per UNISA's requirements over here. Okay, now the second question over here says, having created the table structure in question 2A, write the SQL code to enter the last 2 rows for the table order below. So we can easily write this, and we only want to add these 2, but I've already got a SQL script that's gone and added it all, okay, because I wanted to play with all the records in here. Okay, so I'm going to copy that script, and I'm going to go back to, I'm going to click on this orders table over here, and I'm choosing SQL. So what it'll do is it'll automatically open and it'll say select star from orders. Then I know I'm on the correct table. Okay, and instead of all of that, I'm going to just paste my script. Okay, now for the answer for that one, all you would do is you would take out all of this, and you would just have I'm just going to cut it out. You would just have this. Okay, and so what it's doing, if we have a closer look at it, it's saying insert into the table. Then we open our brackets and we specify each column that we're going to insert information into. We close our brackets, then we say values, then we open our brackets, and then we put in our first record and we put in our second record. We only need to declare the insert into once, and we can add multiple records. So I could click on go, and that would add that. But as I said, I want to add all the others, so I'm going to just do it this way. So what you would normally have seen is 2 records inserted. This one's going to have like 23 or so. There we go. See there, 22 rows inserted. Okay. So now if I go and have a look at my table, you'll see that the table looks very similar to what Unisa had. Okay. And so that's the answer for the question 2A1, okay, and question 2A2 was that, okay. Then the next question asks, write the SQL code to change order dates for all Walmart customers to the 20th of May. Alright, so what it's saying is we want to look through this table, and wherever we find a Walmart person over here, then the date over here, the order date, should change to the 20th of May. Okay, so how you do that is you go to SQL and you can say update, and as you can see here, it's got to update what value what value do you want to set, and we want to set the order date, and we're going to set it to the May, which is what they asked for. Okay, so because there's no years here, but I've got years in mine, I'm going to just set it according to what it should be. Okay, so I'm copying a date from another value from somewhere. Okay, I'm just pasting it in here. It should go where the value for order date is, and I'm going to change it. What did they ask for again? They asked for 20th of May, so I'm going to change that to 20, and I'm going to say 05 over here. I'm going to take out all the other options because we don't need them. Okay, like that. And I'm going to say where, and they said where the customer is Walmart, isn't it? So we say where customer equals, and we put in our Walmart over here. Alright, so this is the command that we would use, and we would have written it out. I'm going to just go and say select all so that you can see what it looks like quickly, and select, okay, yeah, we don't want to have a where, we just want to go here like that, select star from, okay, and there's all our customers. So if we went and we said, yeah, if we went back to this and we said show, and we say where customer equals, and then we have Walmart, then we can click on go, and you'll see only customers with Walmart. So there's all the dates currently. Okay, so I'm not going to have a record of all of these dates, but hopefully you saw them in the tables. And so we're going to just go and replace that with update. We're going to say go, and there it says 5 rows affected. So now if we go back to show query and we say select all where the customer is Walmart, and you say go, you'll see there all of them are now the 20th of May. Okay, so that's how we would answer that question. The next question was write the SQL code that will save the changes made to the order table. Okay, so that one is just basically the word commit. It's nothing too fancy, you just say commit. So when I'm clicking go on here, it's saying commit. Alright, yeah. Okay, that's as far as I'm going to go for this question. I know there's a further part. We've got a B, a 2B, and a 2C. I haven't looked fully for those. I just wanted to show you the 2A part. So thank you for watching. I hope that you've learned something through this video, and all the best with your INF2603 exams. Thank you and goodbye.